Hello, beautiful gardeners and nature lovers. This is HH Beauty Garden. After a decade of nurturing green dreams, I'm so excited to share a truly magical secret with you today. You know, sometimes the most incredible miracles bloom from the simplest things. A little patience, a lot of love, and the gentle wisdom of nature itself. In this video, we're diving deep into the art of propagating roses the natural way. No harsh chemicals, no complicated machines, just pure, simple methods that are kind to our planet and create breathtaking results. Imagine multiplying the beauty of a single rose, lovingly and naturally, right in your own garden. Isn't that amazing? We start with a simple rose branch. But choosing the right one is key. Pick a branch that's not too young, not too old, with at least 2 to 3 dormant buds. Trim off the lower leaves to prevent dehydration and mold. Then, make a precise cut at a 45-degree angle at the base. This helps your cutting absorb moisture better. Here's a little secret from my years of experience. Gently rub a fresh clove of garlic on the cut. It's a natural protector against bacteria and fungus. Truly magical. Now, let's make our magic potion. A natural rooting solution. First, grab some plain rice. Soak 3 spoons of rice in 200 milliliters of clean water for a few minutes. This creates a nutrient-rich base for strong root growth. Next, an essential ingredient, purple onion. Crush or slice it. Soak it in 300 milliliters of warm water, around 40 to 50 degrees Celsius, for 1 or 2 hours. Onion is amazing for encouraging new roots and protecting against infections. And now, the superstar of natural rooting hormones, aloe vera. Take a small piece, about 5 to 7 centimeters. Peel off the green layer, and scoop out the clear gel inside. Aloe vera is packed with vitamins and minerals. It keeps your cuttings healthy and helps them grow strong roots. Mix the aloe vera gel into your rice water. Stir gently. Then filter out the residue. And there you have it, your pure liquid gold. Now, soak your rose cuttings in this solution for about 10 minutes. This allows those vital nutrients to soak in deeply. For your growing medium, I highly recommend a 1:1 mix of clean sand and treated coconut fiber. It keeps the moisture while draining well, creating the perfect home for your new rose roots. Moisten the growing medium with your rooting solution. Fill a clean plastic cup. Make a small hole in the center. Gently place your rose cutting inside, making sure the dormant buds are exposed. This is where new life will emerge. Now, create a mini greenhouse. Simply place a larger plastic cup over your cutting. This helps maintain humidity and a stable temperature. Put it in a cool spot with gentle light. And remember, just keep it moist in the first few days. Don't overwater. After about 2 to 3 weeks, you'll start to see the first signs of success. Your branch will stay fresh, and the leaves will not wilt. This means roots are forming in 3 to 4 weeks. If conditions are right, you'll see tiny buds emerging from those dormant spots. A clear sign of new life. Beneath the surface, slender white roots will quietly stretch into the sand and coconut fiber. It's a silent, magical process that never fails to amaze me. With enough light and moisture, these young shoots will grow into strong branches. And in time, they will bloom into the first flowers you've nurtured with your own hands and patient heart. From a single rose branch, we've created new life using the simplest gifts from nature. If you found this journey as beautiful as a slow spring song, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone who dreams of a garden full of roses, and I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Who knows, maybe somewhere out there, a young rose is starting its journey because of you. Oh, and here's one last pro tip from HH Beauty Garden. Apply a little turmeric powder on any cuts on your rose branches. It helps disinfect naturally and speeds up healing. See you in the next video, where we will continue to nurture beautiful things together, with our own hands. Happy gardening, my friends.